In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use library items in Dreamweaver. Let's get started by opening Dreamweaver on your device. Once it launches, open the HTML file you want to work with. You can use Code View, Design View, or Split View, but Code or Split View gives you the most control for this workflow. Next, we'll bring up the Assets panel. Go to the Window menu at the top and choose Assets. If you don't see it right away, it might be tucked into a docked panel. Expand it so you can clearly see the categories inside. In the Assets panel, look for the Library category. This is where reusable pieces of your site will live. Now, in your HTML file, highlight the exact code you want to reuse. Think of common elements like your header, navigation bar, footer, or a callout box. Be precise with your selection so you capture the full element, including its opening and closing tags, but avoid extra surrounding code. Clean, self-contained selections make better library items and help prevent layout issues later. With that code selected, return to the Assets panel and click the plus icon to create a new library item. Dreamweaver will generate a library asset based on your selection and store it in your site files. Give it a clear, descriptive name, something you'll recognize at a glance, like site header, main footer, or promo card. Meaningful names make it faster to find and insert the right piece later. To use your new library item in another spot, place your cursor in the document where you want it to appear. Choose your location carefully, inside the body where it logically belongs, and not nested inside a tag that would break the structure of your page. Back in the Assets panel, select the library item you just created and click Insert. Dreamweaver will drop an instance of that item into your HTML. Behind the scenes, Dreamweaver keeps a link to the original library file, so if you edit the library item later, it can update every page that uses it. That's the real power here. Consistent design elements across your site with changes made in one place. If prompted, save your page and allow Dreamweaver to manage the library folder it creates for you. That's it. You've opened your file, created a library item from selected code, named it clearly, and inserted it exactly where you need it. Use this workflow for any repeating section of your site to save time, reduce errors, and keep your design consistent across pages.